Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning has published its comprehensive course, Introduction to Hadith, Understanding Compilation, Criticism, and Categorization. This enlightening journey will introduce you to the definition of Hadith, and delve into the history of its compilation, providing a solid foundation for understanding the significance and reliability of Hadith. As we progress through the course, the topic, Development of the Science of Hadith, offers a nuanced exploration of the critical examination of Ahadith, and their intricate structure. Participants gain profound insights into the principles of acceptance or rejection of Hadith reports, examining both the sanad, chain of narrators, and matan, contents of the narrative. Participants can explore Hadith classifications, such as Sahih, Hasan, Da'if, and Mawdu', and understand the significance of Ahadith, shedding light on the history and background of Quranic revelation, the concept of the perfect exemplar, and the Prophet's explanations of the religious sources. Join us in this illuminating exploration of the science of Hadith.